Mindfulness Mountain Meditation. Sit comfortably and take a moment to center yourself. Ideally, you will be sitting upright in a confident position, feeling supported and at ease in this position. Observe your breath, relax, and then expand your awareness to the sensations of your body. Notice the surface beneath you and how it supports you, and root yourself and your body to its strength. Visualize or imagine a grand mountain. It can be one you've seen or one you make up. It can stand alone or be part of a mountain range. This mountain has been here for a long time. It is supported by a vast foundation of bedrock, and it's unmoving and powerful. It may have jagged ridges or smooth slopes. It can be covered by trees, or it can be bare. It might be blanketed with snow or dripping with waterfalls. However you imagine it to be, let it be as it is. Perfect. Be this mountain and experience its stillness. With your head as the peak and your spine as the axis, feel yourself become centered and grounded. Feel the core of the mountain that remains unchanged even as the seasons begin to change around it. Be the mountain as the seasons turn, and it turns to autumn, and you are surrounded by golden light and bright colors as the cycles of life shift towards decline. Watch as the dormancy and darkness of winter take hold and sustain through the intensity of the violent weather, ice and snow. Notice how the mountain remains still, quiet, and steady through the storms. Then feel the warmth of the sun as it begins to warm once again. The stirrings of new life emerging from the thawing ground. The rush of melt overflowing and cascading from the mountain's peaks. Hear the songs of the birds and watch the wildflowers sprout in a dance of new beginnings. Bathe in the heat as summer ignites a fury of growth and life, as thunderstorms roll through your valleys. Watch as the sky becomes aglow with deep orange and yellow as the sun sets behind you, slowly turning to darkness that reveals the galaxies and endless space beyond, only to be obscured once again with rosy hues of dawn. Be the mountain that remains still and grounded through the changes of the weather, time, and seasons that take place at its surface, undisturbed at your core. Notice how day and night come and go. The seasons are in a constant state of change, and yet you resist nothing, knowing that deep down you remain unchanged, secure, safe, and whole. You. Like the mountain, your life will present an ever-changing experience at the surface, and you will remember that regardless of the various degrees of darkness, light, activity, and stillness, that at your core, the truth of who you are remains strong and patient, allowing everything that passes to be as it is, as you enjoy the variety and colors of life with composure and compassionate clarity.